Hello everyone, it's Amy, and today we're going to dive into the world of ultimate hydration and relaxation. I love a good face mask, especially when there's a special occasion when I want to look and feel my absolute best. But let's be honest, like finding one that fits my skin well and is packed with safe, ultra hydrating ingredients can be a big challenge, right? Well, guess what? Norwex has some new limited edition face mask that can be the perfect solution, right? Their deep hydration BioCellulose mask. It is a premium sheet mask made of luxury BioCellulose material, and honestly, it glides on like a second skin. It adheres perfectly to our face. It's created from compostable fermented coconut water. So it's not only great for our skin, but also the environment. So here's the best part. The mask is a two-part design, so it's guaranteed to fit every face shape like a dream. Now let's talk about what makes this so incredible, right? The mask is loaded with 4 types of super hydrating hyaluronic acid, which not only nourish our skin, but it also helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, this contains certified organic ingredients and it's dermatologist tested for allergy and irritancy. So, my girls with sensitive skin do not have to worry. Here's what you're going to love about this. So, I've really enjoyed using this. I've been using one a week for the last couple of weeks. It is a luxury face mask, it locks in the moisture like nothing else I've ever used. It has a unique hyaluronic acid blend that plumps and hydrates. And when I'm wearing it, it feels like a second skin. It adheres well and it gives us a better delivery of the serum compared to traditional masks that I've used. It's also scented with ylang ylang, which is an essential oil. It's a real treat for your senses. Your skin is left feeling soft, silky, and beautifully rejuvenated. But the goodness doesn't stop there. The mask is amazing. It's compostable after use. So you're not adding to the waste, and you know how we love great eco-friendly solutions at Norwex, right? It also comes with 4 masks in every box. So I'm not going to use it on camera. Maybe I'll do that another day, but I want to tell you how to use it. First, you want to cleanse your face really well with Norwex microfiber or the cleansing facial powder. Then you'll unfold this and remove the mesh side from one side. And then you'll apply the sheet mask to your skin, and then you're going to remove the other mesh side and smooth it out to fit your face. You want to leave it on for 20 minutes. It's perfect for a little self-care. I love doing it in bed at night, and I've even done it while I've been cleaning the house. So you do not want to rinse the skin when you're done. Any excess serum that's in the packaging, be sure to apply that to your neck and your décolleté. And once it dries, just follow with your usual skincare routine. It is such a treat. Do you know that stress can damage our skin's ability to hold water? That's why our mask is also scented with ylang ylang. It's a natural fragrance. It's an oil that boosts our mood and promotes relaxation. Whether you're getting ready for that special event or just indulging in some self-pampering, which we all deserve, the deep hydration biocellulose mask is going to be your go-to choice for plump, moisturized, and beautiful skin. So treat yourself, or actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a box of these and then divide them up to all the ladies for the holidays. This will help keep our skin looking its best. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.